Welcome to our review of the TRAXXAS Maxx Wide Green 110 RC model car. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if this TRAXXAS Maxx Wide Green 110 right for you. Let's dive in. Looking for the best RC car that can handle high-speed chases, rough terrains, and extreme stunts without breaking a sweat? The TRAXXAS Maxx Wide Green 1-10 RC model car is the powerhouse you've been waiting for. With its beefed-up design, advanced technology, and lightning-fast speed, this monster truck doesn't just raise the bar, it shatters it. Designed for thrill-seekers, RC hobbyists, and adrenaline junkies, the Maxx Wide is engineered for performance, durability, and pure driving pleasure. One of the most eye-catching and performance-driven RC cars in its class, the Maxx Wide is built around the revolutionary Wide Max suspension, extending the truck's stance by 40 millimeters. This wider track significantly improves cornering stability and reduces body roll, even when tearing across uneven terrain or drifting through tight turns. When it comes to raw power, the Valinian 540XL brushless motor delivers in spades. Packing 2,400 kilovolts of high-output performance, it can rocket this four-wheel drive beast to speeds over 55+ miles per hour with a 4S lithium polymer battery and even 60+ miles per hour with optional gearing, a speed category that's usually reserved for elite-level RC racers. Controlling that much power takes finesse, and that's where the VXL 4S waterproof ESC steps in. Fully capable of supporting 3S to 4S LiPo batteries, this speed controller features a built-in cooling fan to ensure sustained performance, plus real-time telemetry via TRAXXAS Link for total control at your fingertips. You won't have to worry about sudden spinouts or skidding either, thanks to the integrated TRAXXAS Stability Management, TSM. Adjusting your stability settings on the fly is easy and intuitive, straight from the TQI trademark 2.4 GHz radio system, which also features a multifunction knob and telemetry-ready 5-channel micro receiver. Beyond performance, usability, and design innovation are where the Maxx Wide really shines. Swapping out bodies has never been easier with the clipless body mount system, which does away with fiddly clips and lets you pop the shell on or off with one hand. Beneath the body lies a full-time shaft-driven four-wheel drive drivetrain loaded with torque biasing center drive, sealed differentials, and heavy-duty telescoping drive shafts for relentless power transfer and rugged terrain handling. Coupled with GT Max aluminum shocks featuring massive oil-filled dampers, you're in for an ultra-smooth ride no matter the conditions. Its grip on dirt, sand, and gravel is second to none, thanks to sledgehammer tires. These beasts sport an aggressive open-block tread that bites into any terrain for unmatched traction. Whether you're bashing in the backyard or racing off-road trails, this RC truck handles it all with brute force and style. The Maxx Wide is scaled at 1-10 and measures 22.5 inches long, weighing in at a solid 10.4 pounds, 4.7 kilograms. The shock length is 4.90 inches and the tire diameter is 5.64 inches, offering a commanding presence on any track or terrain. Ground clearance reaches up to 2.6 inches, keeping obstacles at bay while maintaining agility. The included battery tray measures 186 millimeters by 48 millimeters by 43 millimeters, allowing compatibility with most 4S LiPo packs, and the truck requires just 4 AA batteries for the transmitter to get rolling. Out of the box, you'll find the TRAXXAS Maxx Wide Max truck, the TQI radio system, a quick start guide, and high-quality maintenance tools. Whether you're upgrading your collection or diving into high-performance RC for the first time, this truck delivers a complete, exhilarating experience. What we like? 1. Incredibly fast, stable high-speed control. 2. Extremely durable build for rough terrain. 3. Real-time telemetry and tuning options. 4th, effortless body removal with clipless system. What we don't like? 1. No battery included. 2nd, optional gearing extra.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.